Hi, it's Tanya with Red Cardinal Crafts, and welcome to CRAFTMAS Day 8. All right, today we're going to be doing the 8th day of Christmas. So as usual, you're going to need your base color paper, and that's going to be 7 inches by 7 inches. And then we're going to need, I've just kind of skipped ahead a little bit because I started filming and then I messed up. So here we are. This pattern paper that you're going to put on here is going to be 4 inches by 6 7/8. So we're going to glue that down onto the right hand side, leaving the little bit of an edge. And now you're going to cut out your 8 Maids milking. Now I just did this last night just to save some time. So I cut on the line that I have on the artwork, and then I just backed it with black paper. So because we're going to glue down this side, we want this to not go too, we don't want to go over this edge, but we don't want it so close to here that we're unable to glue this edge down. All right, so you want to bring it out a little bit like this. So there's just a little space here. And we want the paper to cover it, but I don't want to see sort of part of these guys. I want to just see 3 of them like that. So this 4-inch piece of paper that we have, I'm actually gonna want a bigger piece because I want to be able to glue this down and this still be able to spin. So instead of 4 inches, it's going to be like 4 3/4. All right, so you need a piece of paper that's 4 3/4 by 7. There we go. And while you have your trimmer out, let's just do the pattern paper for on top of that. So I'm just going to do some more snowflakes. So 4 3/4. So you want this to be 4 3/8. By 6 and 6 7/8. All right, and that's going to go on here like this. Glue this whole piece down onto the black paper. Just onto the black paper, don't put it down on your page yet. All right, so now to anchor this to your page, you're going to need a brad. And I got rid of all my brads. I had the close to my heart, close to your heart, whatever the thing is, close to case with all the little jars and everything. And I had all the brads. And then my oldest one, Bryn, she helped me go through storage and she was like, you don't need these. So I'm like, okay, fine. And I got rid of them. And now I'm regretting that decision. But anyway, I had to order these on Amazon yesterday. And they're really big. I meant to get the smaller size, but the main thing you're looking for is that it's flat, because some of these are like domed and you just want it to be flat. So I have the hole on the page, so just poke a hole through that and you're going to put your brad through, and that's what's going to go on there. But first we have to poke it through the paper and we have to see where that's going to go. So when you lay this piece down, you want to be able to see 3 of the ladies here, 3 of the maids I'm milking. You don't want to come over this edge but you also don't want to see like the feet, you know what I mean? So you want it to be somewhat even, that you just see 3 at a time. Why? I don't know. That's just how my brain works. Okay, so now just hold this here, remove this, and you're going to see where this is on your page. You're going to pick these up together, hold them in place, and then you're going to poke the hole through here. Like that. You're going to stick your brad through like that, and then you're going to flatten it out. And I recommend putting the things this way because I think we're putting a tag down here. I can't remember, but just in case we do, you want this just going up and down instead of going this way, because you don't want, if we do put a tag, you don't want it getting stuck. And there, our little thing spins. How fun is that? Okay, so now we are going to glue this piece down. So you want a little bit of glue along here, a little bit of glue there, and a little bit of glue here, okay? Well, on this, but you know what I mean. And just do a little bit along the edge because you don't want it to have so much glue that then your wheel doesn't spin. All right, and now get your number 8 for the day. And we're gonna make this seem like it's the center of the wheel. So bring it over to here so that this space is even. You know what I mean? Like it's not up here or it's not over here. You want it to look like this is the center of the wheel, okay? And you're just gonna glue on that part. Don't glue this section here because then your wheel's not gonna move. So just put glue on half of your circle, basically. Just make sure it's straight. Like that. And of course my brad is huge, so I've got more of a bump here than you might if you have a smaller brad. Just make sure there's no glue on the back of the number right there. There we go. How cute is that? And now we're going to do just a little journaling block over here. Let's do 2 5/8. So 2 5/8 by, so let's do 6 1/4. And then we're going to do some pattern paper on top of that. And that's too much red. Nope. Still have some of this. Nope, too short. Diamonds going the other way. It's weird. I'm going to do this. All right. So now this piece is going to be 6 1/8. 6 1/8 by, what was that? 2 1/4? Oh, 2 5/8. So make this 2 5/8. Make this 2 right now. 6 1/4, 6 1/8. Okay, so now this way is going to be by 6 1/8. And then we're going to do another piece of black, which is now going to be 6 inches, 2 3/8. And that's going to go on top like that. All right, and then we need a piece of white. This is going to be 2 1/4 by 5 5/8. All right, so let's glue all these down to each other. Like that. There we go. And then I'm going to glue it onto our page like that. But in order to do that, I'm going to wait until we do day 9, okay? So let's just finish with day 8. We're just going to glue that in along this raised up part. And then we can do our tag once we finish page 9. And hold that down. And there we go, guys. We have day 8. I like it. We're getting there. All right, so we've got 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope everyone is safe, happy, and healthy, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. All right, take care, guys. See you tomorrow.